Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoho CRM for lead management in USA Teams, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Zoho CRM website. Click on the Sign Up button prominently displayed on the home page. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. Select your country from the drop-down menu, click on Sign Up to create your account. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from Zoho. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, you'll be redirected to the account setup page. Complete your profile by filling in your business name, number of employees, and other relevant details. Select your time zone and currency preferences for accurate reporting. Now, you will arrive at the Zoho CRM dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, focusing on the main navigation menu. To customize your lead management, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Under customization, choose Modules and Fields. Click on Leads to modify lead fields according to your team's needs. Add or remove fields based on the information you want to capture. Save your changes before exiting the module customization. Next, return to the dashboard and navigate to the Leads tab. Click on Add Lead to manually input a new lead. Fill out the lead form with relevant details such as name, email, and phone number. Assign the lead to a specific team member using the drop-down menu. Click on Save to store the new lead in your CRM. To automate lead management, return to the Settings icon. Under Automation, choose Workflow Rules. Click on Create Rule to set conditions for lead assignment and follow-ups. Define the criteria, such as lead source or lead score, for automation. Set up actions, like assigning leads to team members or sending email notifications. Save your workflow rule and activate it. Now, return to the Leads tab and explore the Kanban view. This visual representation allows for easy tracking of leads through different stages. To generate reports, head to the Reports section in the main menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.